State Recreation Area, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
Yeah, there's some severe weather going on down there.
Hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brady, Maxwell, Jeffrey Canyon State Wildlife Management Area and Cottonwood Canyon State Wildlife Management Area. This includes the following highways. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 187 and 204. Highway 83 between mile markers 73 and 74. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Lincoln, Nebraska.
Well, then why didn't you put your radio on?